The UK's automotive industry has a rich history, known for iconic brands and innovative engineering. From the early days of motoring to the high-performance vehicles of today, the UK has always been at the forefront of automotive excellence. However, the rise of electric vehicles presents a significant opportunity. This shift is not just a trend but a revolution that is reshaping the entire industry. The UK is transitioning towards becoming a leader in EV manufacturing, driven by government regulations and changing consumer preferences. This transition is supported by a robust network of skilled workers and advanced manufacturing techniques. The UK government aims to ban the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by 2030. This ambitious target is part of a broader strategy to combat climate change and reduce carbon emissions. This commitment to sustainability is driving investment and innovation in the EV sector. Research and development are at the heart of this transformation, with engineers working tirelessly to improve battery technology and vehicle efficiency. The UK is well positioned to capitalize on the growing global demand for EVs with its strong automotive heritage and skilled workforce. The nation's expertise in engineering and manufacturing provides a solid foundation for this new era. The transition to EVs aligns with the UK's goal of achieving net zero emissions, creating new jobs, and attracting investment in advanced manufacturing and R&D. The installation of charging infrastructure is also a critical component of this transition. Major car manufacturers like Jaguar Land Rover, Nissan, and Mini are investing heavily in EV production. These companies are not only producing electric vehicles but also setting new standards in design and performance. They are developing new models that cater to a wide range of consumer needs, from compact city cars to luxury SUVs, and expanding their manufacturing facilities to meet the increasing demand for electric vehicles. This expansion is creating numerous job opportunities and boosting the local economy. The government is supporting this transition by providing incentives for both manufacturers and consumers. These incentives include grants, tax breaks, and subsidies, making it easier for people to switch to electric vehicles and for companies to invest in EV technology. The UK has significant players in the EV manufacturing game, leading the charge towards a sustainable future with innovative and eco-friendly practices. Jaguar Land Rover is fully embracing electrification, pledging to offer electric versions of all its models by 2025, a bold move that underscores their commitment to a greener future. Jaguar's I-Pace, an all-electric performance SUV, has already garnered acclaim for its impressive range and cutting-edge technology. Mini has successfully transitioned its iconic Mini Cooper to an electric model, catering to the growing demand for small, urban-friendly EVs that are perfect for city driving. Mini's Oxford plant showcases the company's commitment to UK manufacturing, blending tradition with modern electric vehicle technology. Nissan, with its Sunderland plant, has been producing the Nissan Leaf, a popular electric car, for over a decade, setting a benchmark in the industry. These manufacturers are developing key technologies in-house, including advanced battery technology, efficient electric powertrains, and cutting-edge autonomous driving systems. This commitment to innovation and sustainability is positioning the UK as a leader in the global EV market, driving forward the future of transportation. The shift to EV manufacturing is driving a new era of advanced manufacturing techniques in the UK. Automation is at the forefront, with robotic arms performing tasks with precision and speed. This allows for greater efficiency and consistency in the manufacturing process. 3D printing is another game changer, creating lightweight components and customized parts with minimal waste. Precision engineering ensures optimal performance, efficiency, and safety of electric vehicles. The UK leverages its long tradition of precision engineering to create world-class EVs. Data analytics and the Internet of Things enable real-time monitoring of production lines, predictive maintenance, and optimization of resource utilization. This data-driven approach ensures efficiency, reduces downtime, and improves overall productivity. The heart of any electric vehicle is its battery, and the UK is making significant strides in battery production and innovation. This progress is crucial as the world shifts towards greener transportation solutions. The UK is home to several gigafactories which are essential for meeting the growing demand for EV batteries. These facilities are at the forefront of the nation's efforts to lead in the electric vehicle revolution. Britishvolt is constructing a state-of-the-art gigafactory in Northumberland, aiming to produce batteries for hundreds of thousands of electric vehicles annually. This project is a significant milestone in the UK's industrial landscape. These gigafactories are not only creating thousands of jobs but also reducing the UK's reliance on battery imports, thereby strengthening the local economy and supply chain. Researchers are exploring new materials and chemistries to improve battery performance. Their work focuses on enhancing energy density, reducing charging times, and extending the lifespan of batteries, making EVs more efficient and reliable. The UK is heavily investing in a circular economy for EV batteries, which involves recycling and repurposing batteries at the end of their lifespan. This approach not only conserves resources but also minimizes environmental impact. Collaboration between industry, universities, and research institutions is fostering groundbreaking innovation. These partnerships are crucial for driving forward the next generation of battery technologies. The Faraday Institution brings together leading scientists and engineers to accelerate breakthroughs in battery performance, cost, and sustainability. Their research is pivotal in ensuring the UK remains at the cutting edge of battery technology. The UK government is providing substantial support to accelerate the growth of the EV industry. Financial incentives, policy initiatives, and infrastructure development are key components of this support. The Plug-in Car Grant offers subsidies to make EVs more affordable for consumers. Grants and tax breaks are offered to companies investing in EV production facilities and R&D policy initiatives, like the ban on new petrol and diesel cars by 2030, encourage manufacturers to ramp up EV production. Regulations are in place to encourage the development of charging infrastructure. The government is funding research projects focused on battery technology, electric motors, and autonomous driving systems. Investing in skills development and training programs is crucial for equipping the workforce with the necessary skills for the EV industry. The rise of the EV industry is significantly impacting the UK economy, particularly in job creation. The construction of gigafactories for battery production is creating thousands of jobs. The shift to EV manufacturing is driving demand for engineers, technicians, and software developers. Designing and producing electric powertrains, battery management systems, and autonomous driving features require specialized skills. The expansion of the EV charging infrastructure is another area of job growth. Installing, maintaining, and operating charging stations will require a skilled workforce. The growth of the EV industry supports jobs in logistics, transportation, and R&D. The increased demand for EVs benefits industries involved in producing components like electric motors, power electronics, and software. The transition to electric vehicles is a crucial step towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation system. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing harmful pollutants and improving air quality. As renewable energy sources are increasingly used to generate electricity, the overall carbon footprint of EVs continues to decrease. The shift to EVs supports the UK's strong commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. Recycling and repurposing EV batteries minimize environmental impact and conserve valuable resources for future use. The transition to EVs aligns with the broader shift towards a circular economy, promoting sustainability and reducing waste effectively. The UK's EV industry is experiencing significant growth but faces challenges. The global semiconductor shortage has led to production delays and increased costs for manufacturers. The EV market is becoming increasingly competitive, with established car manufacturers and new entrants vying for market share. The availability of charging infrastructure remains a concern for many potential EV buyers. The affordability of EVs is another barrier to widespread adoption. Battery costs remain a significant factor in the overall price of EVs. The skills gap in the EV industry is another challenge. Addressing this skills gap through education and training programs is crucial for the long-term success of the UK's EV industry. Despite the challenges, the future of UK EV manufacturing looks promising. The industry is expected to grow rapidly, driven by government support, technological advancements, and increasing consumer demand. The UK is well positioned to become a global leader in EV battery production. Technological advancements are expected to drive innovation and growth in the EV sector. Battery technology is constantly improving, leading to longer ranges, faster charging times, and lower costs. The UK government's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 will continue to drive investment and support for the EV industry. Collaboration between industry, government, and research institutions will be essential for driving innovation and addressing challenges. The UK's automotive industry is undergoing a remarkable transformation. The shift to electric vehicles presents a significant opportunity for the country to reclaim its position as a global leader in automotive manufacturing, innovation, and sustainability. With its rich automotive heritage, skilled workforce, government support, and commitment to innovation, the UK is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The transition to EVs is not just about building cars, it's about building a more sustainable future. By embracing electric mobility, the UK can reduce its carbon footprint, improve air quality, create jobs, and drive economic